Are you looking for a retractable hose reel? Well, the Hose Link Classic Beige 100-foot retractable hose reel might be a solid choice for you. But is it worth the $259 price tag? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you my honest first take on this Hose Link hose reel. Hose Link has not sponsored this video. I bought this hose reel off of Amazon myself after doing a ton of research because I just had a Giraffe Tools 100-foot hose reel fail on me. The retraction actually failed on me, and that's the most appealing part to a retractable hose reel. So now I'm curious to see how this hose reel is going to perform. In the box, you receive the hose reel. Obviously, it comes with 100 feet of half-inch hose, your universal wall mounting bracket. It also comes with a paper template you can use for mounting purposes. It has a 6.5-foot leader hose that actually has a really nice mounting on the front, which I'll get to here in a second. There's a Comfort 8-pattern spray nozzle that comes with the hose along with its quick connect fittings. More on that in a second. The overall construction of the casing is solid. Now it weighs approximately 31 pounds, which is not super heavy, but this is all plastic with the exception of the mount on the back, which is steel. The handle on the back makes it nice and easy to remove, and this is a huge feature for me because at the end of every fall, before we get into winter, because we do have very cold months here, I need to get this off of its mount and into the garage for storage. But without any water in it, 31 pounds. Hoselink states that they make the casing out of a UV stabilized polymer. All that means is that the plastic should not degrade over time, so you should see no cracking or warping in the casing. One thing I've noticed with the construction of the casing is the rubber plugs that are inserted where all of the screw holes are for the casing. That's where it's held together. That is nice. One challenge I had with our Giraffe Tools reel was that we had insects inside. This will help protect against that. Granted, there's a huge hole right in the front, but it also will help protect from water going in and getting nasty, honestly, in the bottom of the casing. When you mount the hose, it has a 180-degree swivel. Actually, I've noticed that with this swivel, it's slightly past 180 degrees. So you want to keep that in mind when you choose your mounting option for the reel. This is 100 feet of half-inch PVC, BPA-free, lead-free hose. Now, one thing to note about this being a half-inch, you may run into some challenges when you use things like sprinklers at the other end. This is something that I'm going to test. I'll include it in my follow-up video after I use this for a period of time, but just something to keep in mind. The retraction system has a stop anywhere mechanism. So if you wanted to stop the hose right here, you could, and then you could just simply pull in order to get it back into the reel. So far in the testing that I've done with it, every single time I've gone to stop, it has stopped wherever I've wanted it to and really worked kind of nice. This is a better retraction system than what I felt in the Giraffe Tools hose reel I used to have. As you pull the hose out of the reel, you'll notice that its self-layering guidance system moves side to side. As you move it back into the hose reel, it continues to move side to side so that it places the hose in a nice, even layered pattern within the reel so it doesn't get tangled or all messed up on one side of the reel. One piece of design that is worth calling out here is the way that the leader hose connects into the hose reel. My Giraffe Tools reel came right in the side and the hose just hung out of the side of it. This is a nice, flush, clean connection up inside the hose reel casing rather than having all that hose hanging off on the side. That's very nice. One other feature to be aware of are the quick connect fittings. There are two. There's one that connects to the top of your hose coming out and to your spray nozzle. There's also another at the end of the leader hose. The way that these function is that you can do a quick twist in order to disconnect them and a simple twist back in order to reconnect. So for the spray nozzle quick connect, if you wanted to not use the spray nozzle, rather than untwisting it and getting it all out, you can just simply twist and disconnect. It also has a shut off here, so if you are using it and it's open, you can hit the shut off in order to close it and then open it back up if you want to use the hose without the spray nozzle. But to reconnect it, insert and twist. You have the same option with your leader hose and your feed coming from your spigot. You can just simply twist and disconnect. Actually, that's kind of nice when you're at the end of the season, but I don't know that I would want to leave this out all winter. But you do have that option to quickly disconnect if you need to. The spray nozzle is a plastic spray nozzle, and it works as advertised right out of the box, just like every other plastic spray nozzle I've ever used. But if you ask me my thoughts on this, the jury is out. Honestly, I've not had great experiences with plastic spray nozzles. My hopes are not set high for this one either, but we'll see how it lasts over time. I will say though that the spray patterns on it are nice. They respond very well. I get no leaks from it as of right now, and the shutoff on the back of it is very smooth. Back to the quick connect real quick. I'm going to tell you that so far I'm actually liking this a lot, because if I want to come to just running the hose by itself, I can do that easily just by disconnecting with the quick connect, snapping it back in place, and then using the nozzle. I haven't had a hose with this feature before, so this is kind of nice. But it's plastic, so I am concerned that I'm going to start to see leaks around the edge here with potentially busted seals, but we'll see. So let's talk about concerns, because I do have a few when it comes to this hose reel. The first is the warranty. Based on everything I've seen, this comes with a 2-year warranty. For a hose reel that I don't know how long it's going to last, honestly, I'd prefer to have a 5 or a 7-year warranty. Now, I think I did see if you go to their Evolve line, which is definitely more expensive, you can get a 5-year warranty on your Hose Link. The second concern, and I'll loosely call it a concern, is the fact that it's a 1/2-inch hose. When it comes to using things like your sprinkler, you may see a little bit of degradation when it comes to pressure coming out of the hose. That may not be an issue for you, but when you're looking at a hose that you're just going to use for general watering purposes, this is a solid choice. But my biggest concern is price, because this is a $259 retractable hose reel. And when I don't know how long it's going to last and I only have a 2-year warranty, that's a lot of money to pay up front. So you'll want to factor that into your decision. But overall, so far, I have been impressed with the operation of this in comparison to what I saw with my initial reaction to my Giraffe Tools hose reel. If I was rating them, Giraffe would be here, Hoselink would be here, slightly ahead. But if you purchase this hose reel and you're trying to figure out how you really need to get this thing installed, or you want to know before you buy, click or tap on this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.